Not yet. Hello, and welcome to JS Danger, our Don't Call It Jeopardy game show, where three contestants put their web dev knowledge to the test. I am Alex Trebek. I am Jared Santo, and I'm your host today. Let's get to know our contestants. First up, Emma Bostian. Emma, you hold two JS Danger accolades. The first one is you're the inventor of this format, and the second one is you are the lowest scorer in human history.
Okay, go big or go home, Jared. I don't like the half pass. Can I say that online? I don't like the okay. I don't like to not. Never mind.
You can't.
Thanks for having me.
Happy to have you. Suz Hinton is here. Suz, you're a long-time partier, but you're a first-time dangerer.
Yes, that's right.
Does that mean you're nervous?
I've done JavaScript trivia games before, but I haven't done it on the spot. And that tends to be like, this is basically interview mode for me where I forget everything I know because I'm on the spot. So it's going to be funny, I think. That's
how it works for everybody, was what we're finding. Divya is back. Divya, you are used to dominating our debate episodes, but how's your trivia game?
We'll see. I don't want to preemptively make any claims. Okay. I'm not American in that way. I don't automatically.
Ouch.
What are you throwing shade right now? This is starting.
She's on her game. She's ready to play.
I just, at every opportunity, like to mention to everyone that I'm American. Yeah.
Well, here's how the game works. We have a game board. If you're watching on video, you're enjoying that. If you're listening on audio, have no fear. We will post the video somewhere. Of course, this is a podcast, so it will sound great. And you can play along without the video, but it's a nice companion. And we have categories. So there are 3 rounds. Round 1 is trouble. Round 2 is double trouble. And then the final trouble will finish the game, of which we have 5 categories, 5 questions. If you've played Jeopardy, you know what it's like.
I think I need Jeopardy explained because it's very confusing to me and I didn't grow up watching it.
Okay.
I'm not from this country. And then also, all I know is that you ask questions to answer and that's very confusing to me. So I'm sorry.
We can get rid of that rule for this if you would like. We can.
Yes, we will not dock
I'm
you
okay to get rid of that.
We will probably correct you out of habit. We will not dock you. So yes, the clues are given in phrase form and the answers are in question format. So if it's a person, you say who is. If it's a thing, what is, and you just prefix your answer with those prefixes to make it question sounding, but we're not going to hold it against you. Here's how it works in terms of the game here. It's a little bit different than the typical Jeopardy where you buzz in because latency and internet and timing. So we go person by person. So Emma is first. Emma will pick a category and a point value. I will then present that question just for her. So she has then an opportunity to answer that in the form of a question. If she misses it, there's a chance to steal. So it will go in order. Divya will have a chance to steal. She can pass or she can try to steal. If she tries to steal and gets it wrong, she also gets negative on that question. If she steals it, she gets the points and it ends. If Divya passes or gets it wrong, Suz gets a chance to steal. Same rules apply to her, and then the next round begins. Any questions?
What do we get if I win? I'm kidding.
You get to totally redeem yourself.
Thank you.
So for round 1 trouble, our categories are array prototypes, the Internet of T, answers in that category, in that column will all begin with T. Name that stack, turns out JS, which are all things that compile to JS, and it's all HTML semantics. Emma, the board is yours. What would you like to select?
Maybe I'll start off like decently not balls to the wall. Let's go for HTML semantics for 300, please.
For 300. This creates a disclosure widget in which information is visible only when the widget is toggled into an open state.
what is an accordion? But that's not an HTML element.
Can I
That's not.
steal?
So we'll go
That's
to
weird.
Divya for an opportunity to steal.
Oh,
Emma goes
sorry. I
down.
didn't know
It's
what
all,
the rules were.
it's all right. You'll be next. Emma, negative 300. Divya, chance to steal.
What is the select element?
What?
Yeah, that was my second guess.
Incorrect.
Okay.
Negative 300 for you. Suz, would you like to steal?
What is a detail element?
Details.
Oh,
Ooh,
man.
nice.
This element is very popular on GitHub because you can put it in your issue and you can put a stack trace or a long piece of details in there and it will toggle, the caret. It'll hide it by default. So
I use it
very
for
good.
things like logs. If you want to show like a stack trace in a GitHub issue, but you don't want to like have this long scrolly thing for people, it's very
Exactly.
helpful.
So there you go. Suz steals the round. She's got 300. Emma and Divya
Nice.
starting off rough.
Thanks, Jared. Thanks for the encouragement.
Let's move to the next question. And how do I do that? There we go. Still first time board user here. All right. So it goes now to Divya. Your turn to pick a category and a point value.
All right. Can I do name that stack for 200?
Name that stack for 200. This stack would go well spread on a piece of toast.
I love that this is for Divya too.
Yeah.
Wait.
This
got it.
stack would go well spread on a piece of toast.
This is brilliant.
What is... Oh my gosh, why am I like blanking on this?
You're either going to get this right or totally hate yourself.
I
Yeah.
mean, it's not view.
This stack would go well.
Jared,
spread
you're
on
being
piece
a
of
little
toast.
lenient with the time, sir.
Jamstack. What is Jamstack? Oh my god.
That is correct.
I was thinking framework for a second and I was like, there isn't one. Okay, yeah.
Okay,
I was so
you
close
get-
to stealing that.
Yeah, you're right. I waited a little long. I got to be more.
Yeah, I
I'm
feel like we
sorry.
need to deduct points from you as the host.
Well, I'm giving all my points out, so I don't have any left to give. That being said, it's Suz's turn. Suz, the board is yours.
Can we do the Internet of T for 200, please?
The Internet of T. The heart of every HTML document. Remember, answers in this category all begin with T.
The heart.
This is the heart of every HTML document.
So like I'm getting really esoteric and I'm thinking like the heart is kind of in the middle or kind of on the left.
Yeah.
Which like I can think of one element that starts with T, but
Go ahead and give it a guess or we'll have to count it wrong.
what is text?
Wow, you got it. Text. Of course.
That's the heart. Really?
Of course, text is the heart of every HTML document. What's on the inside? It's all text in the
Yeah.
middle.
It's body. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. These
Good
questions
job,
are so
Suz. You're
obscure.
killing
I'm
it with
gonna lose
500
again.
points.
Oh no, it's going to be beginner's luck and then it will just dive.
Emma, the board is yours.
All right, let's go to array prototypes for 300, please.
Nobody likes to start off easy with the hundreds. This is interesting. Okay, array prototypes. This extracts a section of the calling array and returns a new array.
It's either. I'm not going to say it because if I get it wrong, I don't want the next person to get it. What is slice? Yay! Okay, I always mix those up.
Nice job. Slice it is. You are now back to 0 points. You're out of the red. Okay, Divya.
Good.
I'll do a 100. I'll do, let's see. Turns out JS for 100.
Turns out JS for 100. Google's language that compiles to native machine code got its second win thanks to the Flutter framework.
I have no idea.
Is this for 100? This is hard.
This is 100. This is
My
really
bad.
hard.
It sounded easy when I wrote it.
Google's language that compiles to native machine code.
Are you familiar with the Flutter framework?
I'm not.
Okay. We'll give it a guess. Give it a goog.
Google's language.
You're running out of time.
Yeah. I don't know. It's not what is some native thing?
Okay.
I don't know.
Opportunity to steal. Divya goes down by 100. Suz, you're up to steal.
Is it what is Dart?
Oh, Suz is gonna kill us.
What is Dart?
Yeah.
Good job, Suz. With the steal, 600 for Suz, and it is now your turn as well.
Oh, can we do? It's all HTML semantics for 200, please.
You bet. This represents text, which is highlighted for reference or notation purposes.
This could be a couple of things. As usual, it's very ambiguous.
Ambiguous.
Represents text which is highlighted for reference or notation purposes. Is it? I'm just going to go for it and not waste time. Is it what is quote?
What'd you say?
What is quote?
Correct. Sorry. Emma for the steal.
I'm not stealing this one.
Emma passes. Divya, would you like to steal?
Represents text which is highlighted for reference or notation purposes. Wait, what category is this under again?
This is under, it's all HTML semantics. These are semantic HTML elements.
I feel like I'm
have to
already
steal.
losing, and I don't know if it's a good idea to just guess.
So you can pass. You don't have to steal.
I will pass.
Okay, so the element which represents text, which is highlighted or marked for reference, is the mark element.
Very ambiguous question. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah.
So much heat here as whoever wrote these questions, we'll fire them and we'll get some.
It was definitely Nick, wasn't it? This is the kind of stuff Nick enjoys.
It could have been. I'm not going to say.
Dylan.
I'm not going to say who it was.
It
Okay.
was Nick or Dylan or both.
So that was Suz's question. So now it's Emma's turn.
I do array prototypes for 400, please.
You bet. This returns a new array that is the array joined with other arrays and or values.
What is concat?
You are correct. I lost my soundboard, so I was like furiously looking for it. The array prototype concat will return a new array that is the array joined with other arrays and or values. Very good, Emma. You now have 400 points, and it's Divya's turn. Emma knows.
I do.
Let's see. Let's do something easy. HTML semantics for one. You know what? I'm just not gonna say.
This one
100s
area is very tricksy.
Okay. A section of a page whose purpose it is to provide navigation links either within the current document or other documents.
What is navigation or nav?
I'm going to need one or the other.
What is nav? Hooray!
Nav, very
I
good.
feel like it's unfair to use the word in the phrase, but that's just me.
It's 100, it's 100 points. Come on. It's the easiest one.
It's
okay.
Yeah.
I'm out for blood, so.
Suz's turn. You're tied for first.
Can I do array prototypes for 200, please?
You bet. This returns a new array containing the results of calling the given function on every element.
What is array.prototype.map?
Very good. 200 points for Suz, bringing you to 600. Emma, your turn.
We'll do array prototypes for 500, please.
Going big, going home. This adds one or more elements to the front of an array and returns the new length of the array.
What is array.prototype.unshift?
Very good.
Can you tell I was studying for interviews?
I can tell that you have your array methods all memorized. So that is one I'd have to look up. Okay, Divya.
Let's see. What is turns out JS for 300?
For 300. This purely functional programming language has a built-in architecture for building front ends.
What is Elm?
Elm is
Yay.
correct.
I would never have known that.
Hooray.
Good job.
Non-studying. I'm purely just grabbing general knowledge.
Okay, Suz, your turn.
I gotta name that stack for 300, please.
Name that stack for 300. A majestic four-footed beast, or a tech stack centered around a popular search solution.
What?
Mm.
Okay, a majestic four-footed beast or a tech stack centered around a popular search solution. Majestic four-footed beast. I'm gonna hate myself if I find out what this is. A majestic four-footed beast, which could
Or-
be anything, because I think all four-footed beasts are majestic, so my imagination is running away with me. Or a tech stack centered around a popular search solution.
Yeah, maybe forget about the beast and think about the search solution.
Yeah.
I'm so helpful. I don't think Trebek does this. He just sits there and stares at you. Gonna have to take a guess. Now or never.
I'm gonna pass.
Okay. So Suz goes down, and Emma has a chance to steal.
I'm really bad at tech stacks. I know it's probably around this popular search network framework to some extent, but I can't think of any acronyms with this. So
Okay.
I'm going to pass.
All right, Divya, would you like to steal?
Uh,
You got Jamstack, right?
I know, but at the same time, I'm like not familiar with tech stacks around search engines. I was like,
Okay.
there are not that many. It's like DuckDuckGo.
Oh, I know what it is. Damn it.
What it? No.
Well, you are. This is a 400
A duck is not a
so-
four-footed beast, though.
No, I know what it is.
All right, so
And it was
Divya,
my
you're passing.
first-
I'll pass.
instinct.
I'll pass.
The
What was the answer?
which one was
Do
it?
we ever
here?
know?
Was it 300?
I think so.
Yes. The answer is the elk stack.
Oh, what the
Okay, I
heck?
would never have known that. Okay.
That's not a
But-
majestic beast.
An elk? Have you ever seen an elk
It
run?
is. That's very majestic.
Very majestic. The
Okay,
popular
we've
search
got
solution
different
is
ideas.
Elasticsearch. Elk stands for Elasticsearch,
Yeah, I kept thinking of
Logstash,
Oh.
Elasticsearch.
Kavana.
That's what I thought of the whole time, and I was like, who designed this around the Elasticsearch stack, though? And yeah.
All right, that
Anyway.
was Suz's turn, so now it's
Interesting.
Emma's turn.
Whew. Wow, I've been sucking at everything else.
You're running out of array prototypes. You better go for a 100.
Yeah.
I better just
You're-
go for array for 100.
All right. This returns true if every element in the array satisfies the testing function.
What is array.every?
You are now
I'm an array expert.
100% on your.
But that's
yes,
it.
you're
I'm gonna
now an
fail all the
array
rest of
expert.
them.
And you have 1,000
You're
points,
in the
putting you
lead.
in first
You're
place.
in the lead. Yeah. This is
Nice.
great.
I like to just say we're all in the positives here, so I'm feeling pretty good about this group. Divya, your turn.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do name that stack for 400.
Okay.
Oh god.
The A is controversial, but these three technologies are staples of the mean stack. We're looking for all three.
Oh, okay. It's Mongo Express Angular Node.
So
Is
which
that?
ones
Do
are
I
the
just
three?
name? Do I just name? Wait. Do I have to name M, E, and N? Oh, what's the question?
That's correct.
Oh,
Yes.
it's just Mongo Express and Node.
Very good.
I gave the extra A, by the
You
way. so I
did.
should
Well, the
get
A is
extra point.
controversial, so it could be Angular. Some people like Mern or Mevin for React or Vue,
Oh, okay.
but the
Yeah.
M and the N.
No, it's actually Venom for Vue. It's
Oh, people are always changing their stack names. Okay, good job. You got it right. Suz, your turn.
Can I do turns out JS for 400, please?
This controversial language aimed to expose the good parts of JS with a cleaner syntax. Some of its ideas inspired JavaScript features.
Oof. Controversial language.
Aimed to expose the good parts.
I'm going to go with my first instinct here, which could be wrong. But I think it is what is CoffeeScript.
Yeah.
Very good.
Nice.
And you get those 400 points. You now have 700 and just passed Divya for second place. Emma, your turn.
Yay.
I guess HTML for 400.
Look at all those 500s.
A self-contained composition in a document, page, application, or site, which is intended to be independently distributable or reusable.
What is an iframe?
I'm sorry.
I have no idea.
Divya, would you like to steal?
Hold on, I need to read the question.
A self-contained composition in a document, page, application, or site, which is intended to be independently distributable or reusable.
Like reusable across sites or what?
Or reusable, I don't know. Probably on the same page.
On the same page?
Or maybe not.
This is HTML, right? Yeah.
Are you stealing this or are you passing?
Wait. I need like 10 seconds to like process this.
Even.
Okay.
Let's say, what is section?
Was that right?
It's probably wrong.
No, I'm sorry. That is wrong.
Wow, that was a really wrong noise.
That was close.
Yeah, I
though.
know.
That's our steal wrong, which hasn't happened yet.
Okay, that's
So,
fine.
Suz, would you like to steal? It's not section. I would say that was close, though, Divya.
I'll take
Oh,
a swing.
thanks.
Oh, well, if it's close, then I feel like my answer might be wrong. But I was going to say, what is a custom component?
Are you going to actually say that, or are you just telling me what you're going to say?
Yes, what is a custom component? Oh.
Womp.
This is a killer question.
Ooh.
Suz and Divya both missing on steals. Emma, you missed as well? Or who guessed this one?
Yeah, I did. I missed it.
Okay, did I dock you your points? Yeah.
I was at 1,000
she was
before.
at
Yeah.
1,000.
Okay, hard to track it all. Yeah, so Divya was close. It's actually article, which is a
Oh
very
my
common element,
God.
but just a very strange way of describing it.
It is.
So
Yeah.
blame it on Nick or blame it on
still think
W3
custom
Schools.
Okay, yeah,
component
just
is way
I actually
better.
think custom component is really reusable, if that's the
Yeah,
thing.
I don't know what article has to do with distributable and reusable, but you know.
Well, like
I
you
mean,
have
I think
multiple
you can use it-
articles on one page, so it's reusable in
Yeah.
that way, but they're independent entities. Like you could use an article as a standalone. Anyways, I don't know. I'm not trying to
Boo.
defend this description and write this. Let's go on.
Sounds
That
lit.
was Emma's turn.
Oi.
Divya's turn
Ugh.
now.
All right, let's go for the hard hitters, I guess. Why
Okay.
not? While you're low. Let's do turns out JS for 500.
Okay. Created and maintained by Facebook, this language
Yes,
offers a new
Reason
set-
ML.
Ooh. You didn't even let me read
That
it.
was, I don't even know how that is a 500 question though. It literally spells it out for you. Like,
Yeah, exactly.
that's so easy.
I
I'm
have
so
never heard of that
disappointed.
before
See,
in my
Emma didn't
entire
know.
life.
That
I've
is-
never heard of that.
My bad. Sorry, I should not have said it was easy.
So
That
much
was,
criticism.
No,
for
that's
this question.
payback for the 100 question.
Fair enough. Fair enough. The hardest part with these boards is actually figuring out what are hard and what are easy. Okay, Suz, your turn.
Can I get Internet of Tea for 300? Let's just be a
Okay.
little bit
Remember,
moderate here.
Everything here begins with T. An object's
Ah.
sometimes elusive self-reference.
What is this? Okay.
Very good. This.
That's not too bad.
and- yeah, there you go. Suz gets 300. Now it is your turn, Emma.
Okay, Internet of Tea for 400, please.
When are we? New date without any arguments. I never
What the
actually read that
heck?
one out loud before. That's incredibly confusing.
That
When
is
are
very
we? When are
confusing.
we?
New date is an instantiation. You can see the backticks there. You're calling
Yeah,
new date
no, I know
without any
that.
arguments. Okay, well, I was saying it for
Jared.
the audience sake.
The extra help.
What is a timestamp? I don't know.
What
Who wrote this?
Yeah, what are they asking? Like, as
Yeah,
in
that's what I don't understand.
When
I
are
wanna
we?
steal.
Divya, would you like to steal?
when. Okay, I'll steal.
Okay.
It is time. I actually, I'm like very nervous about this now. Like, I'm just gonna, yeah, whatever. Just dock
Okay,
me.
Suz, your turn.
When it's now.
It starts with a
Ooh, I'm
T.
sorry.
Are you,
that's-
you freaking kidding? Okay.
What is today?
Oh my
Are you-
god! Now should
That
be
is absolutely rude.
That is
no, that's
rubbish.
I'm sorry.
Can we-
it is absolutely when
Can
is
we
now.
all agree? Can we all agree that question doesn't count? As that was the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
I can't believe I lost points for that.
When you
It
call
is
new
when it's
date without
now.
any
How
arguments,
can
it
you
always
possibly
returns
the
allow
current
today? That is
date.
the
Oh
rudest.
god!
Internet of T.
I was like,
it has to begin with a
time
T.
zones, whatever.
I'm
Moving
not
on.
a sore loser, but
I
that
will
was very
find whoever
disappointing.
wrote these.
I got a mutiny on my
Oh.
hands. Okay, well, everybody got it wrong, so it's fair.
Oh god, that
I
was
still
brutal.
say I got it right.
I'm angry.
Suz, it has to begin with T. Now it does not begin with T. Okay, moving on.
Oh my god!
Oh,
I
it
didn't even think of that.
begins with T.
Oh,
Yeah.
Today.
that's okay. Fine, I accept this then. I
Oh,
just
thank you.
completely
Okay.
forgot the
good.
topic.
Okay,
Oh
whose turn
yeah,
is it?
same. Me too. I think it's mine. Was it?
Okay, Divya's
Wait,
turn. That was that.
Did-
That was Emma's. Yep.
that was Emma's question, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because you.
I sort of wish that
Mhm.
the questions had the categories associated so I could
Yeah,
remember.
I didn't actually.
Yeah,
I
it
missed
is
the
hard to
category.
remember.
That's a good point.
Like,
We
what?
can do that round 2 of this
For the future.
board. Mhm.
Okay. I'll do the last 200, please.
Okay, this turns out JS 200, boasting static type checking and other tooling goodies. This claims to be JavaScript that scales.
What is TypeScript?
Correct answer,
I
TypeScript.
hope Nick is proud of me.
I'm sure he is.
Well, Nick's in the chat saying he didn't write it, so. Oh,
That's not actually Nick. That's not
you're not
possible.
saying he's proud of you because you got his question and you're just another
I didn't say
reason.
Nick wrote it. I just didn't say he didn't write it. Okay. Suz's turn.
Mm,
Full disclosure, I
name
wrote
that
all these
stack for
questions, so you can blame
500.
me.
Let's do it.
Which one?
Name that stack for 500. Although I
Okay.
feel like all the other ones were.
The team at Neo4j would love you to use this stack. It also includes GraphQL and React. This is a true 500.
I don't actually know. I'm not sure I know what the stack is actually called. I know exactly what you're talking about. The team at Neo4j would love you to use this stack. It also includes GraphQL and React.
I need an answer.
No. I mean, I know this is not correct, but I'm going to just throw it out there. What is Apollo? Yeah, it's a tool, not a stack.
Okay, Suz misses. Emma can steal.
I will not steal.
Emma passes. Divya can steal.
I don't even know. Like,
Then I would suggest not stealing.
I'm not gonna steal because I think it's like, yeah, I don't even know what it is.
Yeah, wise choice.
Suz was on the right track. The technologies are GraphQL, React, Apollo, and Neo4j.
What
It's like
was it?
Grand
The
Stack
name
or
is called the
something?
Grand
Oh, I've literally
Stack.
never
Oh,
heard of
the
that.
Grand Stack. Yeah,
I had
no.
not heard of it either. So as I said, it's
Yeah,
the
I
pure
knew
500.
Apollo
That's a
was
tough
wrong.
one. Okay, we go to Divya.
All right. Let's do. Okay, I'm gonna do. I'm like on up and up, so I don't want to get very
You are. You're now
boastful
in
at
first
this
place.
time.
This is.
But I'm gonna go.
fine.
Let's do 100. Let's do Internet of T.
Internet of T. Reminder: all answers must begin with T. Rotate, skew, scale, skew, or translate an element.
What is
Mm.
transform?
That's a good one.
Good?
Yay!
Divya with 600 is still in first place. We go to Suz. There's 3 left.
Yeah. So there's no chance of me being able to come back unless I get the two 500s. So
I'll remind you that round 2 is double trouble. All points double. So this game is nowhere near over.
wait, there's another round? It's been like half an hour already. Okay.
Well, we got an hour.
I guess. Well, you know, I feel like I don't care about getting a quick win at this point. So
Okay.
The HTML semantics are incredibly tricky. But I will take that anyway over an esoteric thing starting with T. So
this represents a position within text where the browser may optionally break a line, though its line breaking rules would not otherwise create a break at that location.
Represents a position within text where the browser may optionally break a line, though its line breaking rules would not otherwise create a break at that location. This could be many things. It's definitely HTML, right?
Yes, this is an HTML element. Everything in this category is an element.
Represents a position within text where the browser may optionally break a line, although its line breaking rules will not otherwise create a line location.
We'll need an answer.
I'm going to pass.
Okay.
This is nothing obvious for me.
Emma for the steal. 500 points on the line, Emma.
No, I'm not going to go for it.
Okay, Divya with an opportunity to.
Okay, I want to
cement her
take a
lead.
crack at this.
Okay.
I'll take a crack at this. What is BR?
Oh, so close.
That's what
Divya.
I would have said. That's
The
what I was going to
correct
say.
Really?
element is WBR, which stands for
Oh
word
my
break.
god, damn.
And it is indeed esoteric, which is why it's a 500-point question.
Oh,
So you're literally one letter off. Okay, we go
I know.
to
It's
Emma.
heartbreaking.
You kept the game close. Emma, your turn.
I'm going to do Internet of T for 500, please.
Okay, Internet of T. This group meets every 2 months to evolve the definition of
Are you
JavaScript.
serious? That's a 500 question. Come on.
Oh my gosh, come on.
So rude.
I know the answer, and it's totally
This is
just
really
blanking right
rude.
now.
You got this, Emma.
I feel very attacked for my board here.
This is a 500 question. Seriously.
I know, ridiculous.
I should have picked that one.
Emma, we're gonna nonetheless. Emma
I've totally blanked now that everyone's over there. Like, it's so obvious. It's so obvious.
No, it's fine. Well, you got it.
You got it.
I cannot remember for the life of me.
Okay, so I'm
Well,
gonna
Divya's gonna take
Yes.
the lead.
wrong answer.
What is TC39?
TC39 working group. Very good, Divya. With a
Yay.
500-point steal, which means she gets the last clue on this board. Name that stack for 100. Divya,
Let's do
name
it.
the lamp stack.
Oh my. What does that?
Uh-oh.
Okay, I know that it's Apache, MySQL, PHP. And then the L stands for Linux. Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP.
Very good. That brings us to the end of our treble round. Emma at -300. Divya with a commanding lead at 700. And Suz pulling up the rear at -800. But don't
Told you there'd be a dip.
delay. We
There it
have
was.
twice as much trouble right around the corner. Stay tuned for round 2 coming up next. We are
Okay.
back for round 2 of JS Danger HalfStack edition. It's double trouble. That means all points are doubled. Our categories for this round are obscure web APIs, document.title. This is where the clue is the title element of popular websites, and you must name the website. Category 3 is node drama. Hopefully no drama in that category. Category 4 is CSS select star. These are all selectors. And the last category, talk protocol to me. Popular internet protocols. Suz, the
Oh my
board is
god,
yours.
my colleagues
Where would
are
you like to
watching
start?
this. Oh, this is horrible.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Suz, your turn.
I'm gonna pick talk protocol to me for 400, please.
Okay.
That's like my favorite topic.
This old school protocol for sharing files typically runs unencrypted on port 21.
What is FTP?
The file
Nice.
transfer.
Oh, I couldn't remember if that
protocol.
was Telnet or FTP, but Telnet is more for like
Yeah,
text
Telnet's
communication.
22, I
so,
believe.
okay. Yeah. No.
Yep.
Wait. Yes. Yeah. That's why I got
right.
confused.
Yeah,
Okay.
very close. Very good, FTP. Okay, off to a good
Nice.
start. Emma, your turn.
All right, let's see if I can get in the positives. Can we do CSS for 400, please?
Okay, you give the selector. I give you the thing. This is how you select active links. You can just say it out loud.
Isn't it just the pseudo selector for active? Like
Give
colon,
me the
colon.
actual, we're looking for the actual selector.
Okay, so A : active.
Oh.
Is it 1?
Oh, Divya for the steal.
Select active links. Is this? I feel like it's active. Is it like a focus or something?
Are you going to try to steal?
Yes.
Okay, so what's your steal answer?
I did focus.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Suz, would you like to steal?
Yes. What is A : active?
Wait, wasn't that what Emma said?
gave me 2 colons. We were looking for 1
No,
colon.
Jared, I challenge us.
Oh,
No, it used
I
to
thought
be
you
double
said
colon.
Okay.
It used to be double colon, and they've changed it in a more recent version.
Okay.
So
you're saying
I would
A
like to
double colon would
challenge
also work?
this.
Okay.
Technically, yeah. So the double colon selectors are pseudo. Oh, okay. I see. I lied. So double colons are pseudo elements. Single colons are pseudo selectors. Never mind.
Okay.
Fair enough.
All right.
Yeah, like before and things like that.
Those are
Right.
freaking confusing.
They are.
I somehow thought Emma said colon active, and I was like, if that's not the answer.
Well,
No,
that's why
I
she
did
was
say
so
2
close, 'cause
colons.
she said colon active. And I was like,
Oh, I promise I did not see Steve's answer.
No, I know. We've just
Okay.
asked them
I have-
to not.
all right.
No,
so
I
that was a
didn't
tricky
assume
one.
anyone did.
For that category, we will be requesting like the actual selector for each of those. So
Okay.
Okay, that was Emma's turn. Divya, you are up with 300 points.
All right. So you said document title is guess the website based on the document title.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, let's give this a spin, shall we?
Okay.
Let's do 400. I feel like
Okay.
200 would be like weird and tricky.
Where developers learn,
God
share,
damn.
and build careers.
Is this like what is Stack Overflow or something? Oh yes.
Stack Overflow.
You were so
That was really well
unconfident too.
done.
You were like,
Good job. Okay. Suz.
Can I do talk protocol to me for 600? Sorry, I just love protocols, but I'll probably show myself out with this one. So let's do it.
I don't want any of them. So
Respond with Synac if you got this.
Respond with Synac if you got this. What is Syn?
We're looking for the protocol itself.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
What is TCP?
Very good.
Sorry. Thank you.
All right. I didn't say that out loud, so I wasn't clear.
Sorry.
Yeah, so we're looking for the protocols in that category.
Oh,
Good job,
okay.
Suz. You have 600 points, and it's Emma's turn. You have negative 700.
okay, you don't have to remind me. I am going to try to redeem myself. You know what? We're going to go big or go home. Let's do CSS Select Star for 1,000, please.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Maybe it's a hidden easy one. We'll see. Okay, this is how you select all elements with a _ blank target.
So it would be hard bracket and then double, like the semicolons, or not the semicolons, the quotations. I'm losing my English. And then target equals _ blank with a dot in front of it because we have to select all elements with that attribute.
I'm going to give it to you.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that's technically correct, but it's very close. And maybe they both work.
Oh,
What I was
because they were.
looking for was square bracket target equals underscore blank square bracket, but potentially, did you put double
You
quotes in
can
there?
put the quotations. You are
You
allowed
can
to.
put it.
Yeah,
You
I thought
can
that-
put quotations.
Okay, I thought that might work, which is why
Yeah.
I gave it to you. Yep,
No,
just
you're
wasn't
allowed
sure.
to.
Fair enough. Good job. You got it right. It's 1,000 points. You have
Whew.
300 points.
Hooray.
Finally, it's all downhill from here.
Okay, Divya, your turn.
All right, let's see what obscure web APIs is for 200.
Oh, I'm so
Okay.
scared of this.
Shake, rattle, and roll your way to unique features with this API's hardware knowledge.
Oh.
What is WebGL? Okay.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. And Suz, would you like to steal?
Yeah. Does it has to be the exact name of the feature?
Yeah, it has to be recognizable.
Like I'm asking. It has to be
Yeah,
recognizable.
Yeah, I mean, if I know
like,
what you're talking about, it's fair.
Yeah, what is the gyroscope API, accelerometer like API?
Not quite close enough, I don't think. You might disagree.
Oh,
Emma?
I'm not doing it.
Correct answer is the vibration API.
Oh gosh.
oh
What
okay. I thought
even?
it was the
Okay.
the pitch
Yeah,
and
I
roll
thought it-
one.
Yeah.
That's
I also
fair.
Yeah.
thought shake, rattle, and roll was just like a metaphor to mean like animations.
Like yeah,
My-
I thought it was
yeah.
just doing this.
My initial idea was going to be a shake to undo kind of reference, but I thought that was too easy, so I changed it to shake, rattle, and roll. Now you have the inside baseball. I'm sorry, that was a bad one. Okay, let's go to Suz.
Talk protocol to me for 200.
Staying consistent.
We're all staying in our lanes.
Glad.
Say
Just take-
HELO to start the conversation.
I have no. I don't know if I know what this is.
Oh no.
Say
HELO.
hello. HELO. Is this
Yes.
a trick question? Maybe this is obvious to everyone else.
This is the first thing to send on this protocol.
Say hello to start the conversation.
Yeah,
Why is there only one L?
because that's the actual text that you send.
Oh, I see.
HELO.
So we're talking about the web, right? So
We're talking about the internet.
The internet.
I think you could say the web.
Huh.
Yeah, roughly.
what is? I'm gonna guess.
Okay.
What is Telnet? Okay. I forget how you start with Telnet. I think you could just type, right?
I think you just type out whatever you want. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You just connected. Good. Okay, Emma, would you like to steal?
I would not.
Okay. Divya, would you like to steal?
I'm passing. I don't
Okay.
know.
So HELO is the first message sent in the beginning of an SMTP conversation.
Oh, I actually didn't know that. That's cool.
The
I
simple
learned
mail
today.
transfer protocol. The second thing you say is mail from. So that was too easy.
Yeah, I knew
Yeah.
the mail from, but not the first
Oh.
one.
Start with the hello.
That's awesome.
This is how servers send email to each other. Okay, next up is Divya.
Nice.
That is interesting.
How is
Okay,
that a
I
200? Just saying.
that should be like 600.
Always a critic. Okay.
I want to open the Pandora's box. I want to know what node trauma is.
Divya wants some drama.
What number should I pick? Let's pick like let's pick 400. Let's see what's behind that.
Okay. A December
God.
2014 fork
Uh,
that was later merged in after establishing the Node.js foundation. We're looking for the name of the fork.
Oh gosh. Was this what is Node together? No, I think this was before. No, this is way before
Incorrect.
Steal.
that. Yeah.
Susan, is it ready for a steal?
Yeah.
Hold
Oh.
on, Jared. I just want to say you skipped my turn.
Oh, shoot.
Just saying, because you went from Suz to Divya.
Oh, okay.
we'll
So
loop back
after
around to
me,
you.
yeah.
We'll go Emma.
I'm
Susan,
just
then we'll go
being
back to
I'm just
Emma.
being a hard ass. It's
I'm
fine.
sorry.
No, because
No,
this
we wanna be
changes.
fair.
This
We wanna be
changes.
fair.
the,
This
the,
does
the
changes
path of the
things.
game.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry. So, Suze, you have a chance to steal here.
Is it what is IOJS?
Very good. IOJS was
God, I
the
remember that
Oh,
so
nice.
clearly. I remember literally where I was working and all the discussions around this.
So there's some no drama for you. We'll go back to Emma now since I skipped her, and then we'll go to Suz next, and then we'll start the next round. So Emma, your turn.
We'll do CSS for 800, please.
Staying consistent. Select every P element that is the last P element of its parent.
P : last child. Last dash child.
That is
Really?
incorrect.
It's
Divya, would you
single
like to steal?
colon.
Are you stealing?
P single. Yeah.
Oh, gee,
Okay.
are you kidding me?
Say-
It's P single colon last child, last dash child.
God.
Oh, that's also incorrect.
Oh wait, what? Okay,
Suz, would you
carry
like to steal?
on.
How many points is
What?
this?
This is worth 800
A lot.
points.
Yeah.
How is that possible?
Because it's not a
Select-
child, you want all of them. You don't want
Yes.
the last child.
Every
So,
P element.
so I haven't done
Every
this.
P
Oh,
in a
it's
long-
element.
like not.
I haven't done this in
Oh.
a while, but I'm gonna do P : last. Yeah, see, I didn't think it was that either. I haven't done
Correct
HTML
answer is
in
P:
ages.
last
Last
of
of
type.
Oh.
last of type.
Very
Right,
Does anyone
good.
use
because they
that?
aren't children.
Right.
Yeah.
I just want to
Okay.
say, look at our scores and they're all negatives. So what does this say about the board?
It means that it's
Judge the board
a
all you
challenging
want.
game.
It is a
It's
challenge.
a challenging
Yeah.
game and we're overconfident. That's what it is.
Yes, we definitely are.
I think that's a fair statement. Okay, so that was Emma. Now we're going to skip to Divya because I went out of order. We'll go to
Yep.
Suz.
Okay. I feel like I kind of like ran my luck out with talk protocol to me. So we'll save that for like maybe a Suz catch up steal round. So
Okay.
I'm gonna do CSS select star for 200, please.
Okay. Select all elements with class equals party.
Oh my gosh.
Period party.
Nice.
I thought that was a trick question. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna get it
Almost
wrong.
too
That
easy.
couldn't. I would have been mad if it had been a trick question.
It's
I'll
more
just-
that I didn't really think about it. I just kind of blurted it out. So
I'll just say that with that answer moves you into first place with 0 points.
Very nice.
You
Well,
say
it's
that
a
like it's a good
non-negative-
thing, but
It's a non-negative number.
That's
so
right.
That's
let's go
true.
with
Out of the red. Emma, your turn.
CSX
Excuse me.
first six.
that.
I'm not
CSS
even
for
drinking.
600. Select input elements with no required attribute.
With no required attribute.
That's correct. How do you select input elements with no required attribute?
Okay. So it probably uses the not pseudo selector. So, okay. So the hard brackets and inside required, and then : not. I don't know.
Nope.
I don't know.
Divya, would you like to steal?
I'll pass.
Okay. Suz, you'd like to steal.
I do, but I'll pass because I'm not 100% confident.
There you go. It's input :
Optional.
optional.
And I would have been
What?
so-
So if you select input : optional, it will give you all the inputs that do not have a required attribute, which is kind of cool. I actually learned that making this. Okay.
I'm learning a lot. I'm actually not up. Like I used to be the selector queen, but then, you know, like in the last 5 years, I've lost my edge. So this is awesome. So
Awesome.
happy learning this.
Happy to hear that. Divya, it's your turn.
Let's do document.title for 600.
The front page of the internet.
Oh my gosh. Is this like whatisreddit.com?
What is reddit.com? Very good.
I
It's on
wouldn't
my
have gotten
front
that.
page, but
That's what
Yeah.
they see. They write their own titles. So this is like websites according to themselves.
I mean, I
Yeah.
figured people at Reddit think they are the front page, but
Yeah.
only for dudes. We'll see.
Suz, your turn. The front page of internet for dudes just doesn't have the same ring to it.
I'm going to take obscure web APIs for 400, please.
Okay. This API replaces the now deprecated WebVR API to make room for AR2.
Oh, I know this one.
Is this a trick question?
Depends on how tricky you think it is. I don't think so.
Okay, my best answer is, what is web AR?
Correct.
Oh, I know what it is, damn it. Okay, never mind.
Emma, your turn.
I'm not going to steal. I don't know anything about APIs.
Okay, Divya for the steal.
I'll steal. Is it
Okay.
what is WebXR?
Yes, that's what it was.
Correct.
I always forget that A is not the generalizer.
Yeah, it's like
the-
extendable
Right. If you put VR
reality.
and AR together, you have extended reality, or some people call it mixed reality, but they use an X instead of an R, or it says an M.
Mixed reality is like the Microsoft term.
So WebVR is old and busted, and WebXR is going to be replacing it here soon. That is an obscure web API, though. That was Suz's turn, so we're back to Emma.
I'm just going to preface this with, I feel zero confidence about the rest of these, so this is just going to be a massive dumpster fire. I guess we'll go with document title for 200, please.
Okay. News and podcasts for developers. Smirk. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
Oh God.
Wow.
I don't know.
And podcasts
What
for developers.
Trick question.
Yeah, no clues.
No clues.
I'm not. Yeah.
I have zero idea because I don't listen to podcasts.
This is like worse than you didn't know for Ross.
Jared.
This is the.
What is hacker news? I don't know.
That is wrong, and we are offended. Divya, would you like to steal, please?
Yes,
Please
I'd like
steal.
to. What is the changelog?
Changelog.com, where we make news and podcasts for developers. Okay, I'm not offended.
You're gonna fire me, aren't you?
Divya's turn. No.
All right, let's do obscure web APIs for 600.
Okay. What the what? This API gives you visibility into tasks that take 50 milliseconds or more.
Oh gosh.
For you performance nerds out there.
What is? Oh my gosh, I think I know it. Shoot. What is it called?
This API gives you visibility into tasks that take 50 milliseconds or more.
It's like at the tip of my tongue, like the performance thingy. I'm not gonna get. Oh God, I know it because I've used
We'll
it.
get an answer soon.
What is that thing called?
Now or never.
I'm blanking. You can just pass. Yeah.
Okay. Suz, would you like to steal?
No, I don't have the fully formed name in my head, so I'm gonna
Okay.
pass.
Emma, would you like to steal?
Heck no.
Okay. So the API that gives you visibility into tasks that take 50 milliseconds or more is the long tasks API.
Yeah.
That is a tough one. Okay. That was Divya's turn. So it is now Suz's turn.
I'm really bad at the document.title stuff because I literally just don't go on sites that other developers go on. Like I don't go on Hacker News, or I wouldn't even know what the tagline of Hacker News is, for example. So I'm scared of that topic.
Okay. Are you scared of no
I'm
drama?
gonna
You seem to know no drama.
No drama.
No, I mean, I don't like the topic.
But you remember
Let's
things.
do no drama for 600. Why don't we just go for it?
A second major fork,
Oh gosh.
dubbed AYO or AO, occurred in 2017 amid controversy surrounding violation of this document.
Violation of this document. Was it the Node.js code of conduct?
Correct answer.
Yeah.
The code of conduct.
I don't want to think about that either.
Yeah,
it
that's
just
the
makes me
worst.
mad. This whole thing just makes me mad.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
We're not naming any names in this category. Let's go to Emma.
Do we have to? Have a document title for 8.
Do it. Document title
I
for 8.
cannot do it.
Discover the world's top designers and creative professionals.
Well, the creative professionals thing makes me think it's maybe not dribble at that point, but maybe it is.
Is that your guess?
What is dribble.com? I don't know.
Yay!
Yeah.
Really?
Nice.
Oh,
Very
thank
good.
God. That would have been so embarrassing.
That brought you right back in the game. You're tied with Divya at
Mhm.
negative 500. Sue's still in the lead at
Hooray.
positive
Yay.
200. We're getting to the end of this board here. Divya, it's your turn.
I'll do the last document.title.
For 1,000, the JavaScript
The
organization.
JavaScript organization.
Yes.
What is the OpenJS Foundation?
Sorry, I can't
It's
count that.
Jared's personal portfolio, isn't it?
The JavaScript organization. Okay, well, hooray! Negative many points. So Suz is next, or does she
Divya-
want to steal?
Yeah, I don't want to steal because I can see from Divya's answer that it's really easy to mess this one up because because like it's a technicality related, so I'm gonna pass.
Yeah.
It's too ambiguous.
Yeah, Emma, you probably don't want to steal either.
How did you know?
Because I think this is hard. Well, let me say that. Actually, let's stop the stealing. Let's put Divya's answer under further review because
I think that Divya was
the
kind of
actual
correct.
answer we were looking for is js.org.
That's what I would have guessed. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, but I feel
it
like
is-
OpenJS
like-
Foundation
Yeah.
is like the collective.
Well, that's
of
why I was
all of
starting to think
the-
like maybe she actually got it right, but we're looking for the what do you ladies want to do here?
I mean, I'm gonna lose, so I don't really care.
Well,
It's
we'll
fine.
Just, leave you alone.
I'm-
Just leave it.
Yeah, we'll just. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm not petty. It's all good. I know in my heart of hearts that the real JavaScript.
Divya, you were right. You were right.
I mean, we can give her the
Thank
points
you.
back. This is our game.
I mean, they do organize a conference and they do rally like all the communities
Do they-
around it.
do
I
they
don't know what
operate
JS.org
JS.org?
does.
Do they operate
I
JS.org?
I don't-
think they do.
I don't know actually.
I'm gonna
who
go
runs
ahead and give it to
JS.org.
you. I'm gonna give it to
actually
you. I think
looking
they
at
actually do run
JS.org now.
JS.org. Maybe we do a
Literally
quick-
never seen this website in my
Neither.
entire life.
Well, JS.org, it's the JavaScript organization, duh. No,
I
it's,
mean,
it's where people get free subdomains for their things.
This
so you
was
can have,
definitely
like-
a 1,000 question for
Yeah.
sure.
yeah,
I
that's
just
true.
I just saw Emma pulled up the website because it's bright yellow and I see that in her video.
It's so
This is
bright,
not
her
the
face
website
lit
I
up.
thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, neither.
No.
I thought it was going to be the OpenJS Foundation.
I
or
think it's
whatever.
operated by them,
Linux
and it's
Foundation.
free for developers to put their packages as a subdomain. So you could have
It's probably just a random
divya.js.org.
dude that bought it and was like, donate to the JavaScript Foundation on to my personal PayPal.
I don't think so, but
I have
we'll-
no
we'll
idea.
We'll give Divya the correct answer there. I think she got it. And if not,
Thank
listeners, you
you.
can correct us later. Suze, your turn. We're
I
getting to
just
the
want
end.
Let's do no drum for 200.
The runtime's original developer is now working on rearranging its letters.
Oh
Oh,
gosh.
Oh, I lied. We do name
Oh
names.
my
This is a name.
god.
So this is like the name of the person, right?
Yeah, the original developer.
Ryan, who is Ryan Dahl? Okay. Do you know that he was Ralph in my head for exactly 10 seconds and I was like, it's not Ralph.
Ralph.
You know, when you're on the spot, my brain was like, it's totally Ralph. I'm like, it's really not.
That's
I
hilarious.
really,
Ralph.
I just have to say this category is just very upsetting.
I apologize.
Just really.
Jared, I also just want to tell you that js.org site has 800 followers on Twitter, and the PayPal goes to a random guy named Stefan. So I'm pretty sure that's not legit. Just saying.
We'll have to double check.
I'm glad Divya got the points. I'm glad
Fact
you got the
check on
points.
that.
Don't send them money.
Pretty sure JS.org is run by the JS Foundation. Okay.
Really?
I think so.
Anyway,
No
Let's
idea.
go to whose turn was that?
Emma.
I think it was.
Sue's on no drama.
Yeah,
She
it's
got
Emma
Ryan Hall
now.
correct. She now has
Can
400
I
points.
just-
We are on to Emma.
can I just sit at negative 500 and let them battle? Because I don't know.
Oh,
any.
No.
Emma,
Probably ended
you
up
don't give
winning.
yourself
All right,
enough
fine,
credit.
fine.
You got
You
it.
don't give yourself enough
I don't
credit.
know any of this stuff. I don't work with APIs, Node, or protocols. I'm
You
not a
might
web
find
developer.
it.
Anyway.
You totally
Maybe
I
you'll
are.
bet you there'll
surprise
be
yourself.
I bet you there'll be a 1,000-point question that was easy as pie because that happened last time.
Yeah,
How
that's
about
true.
web? Let's do web APIs for 800.
Okay. A set of APIs allowing the manipulation of CSS from JavaScript.
There you go.
I feel like I should know, but
think
I should know
Divya knows
this.
one.
A set of APIs?
I don't know. I don't use any of this stuff. So I have no idea.
Okay.
Okay,
Did
I'm
you
gonna
throw
take a crack.
still?
I'm gonna take a crack at this one. I don't even know if it's right. What is CSS and JS? I don't even know if that's a set of APIs though.
Nope. Not
All
what we're
right.
looking for.
It's not.
Suz.
I'm gonna take a crack. What is Houdini?
Oh, actually, Houdini is a very good guess.
That's a good guess. This one
Yeah.
bit everybody. This is the CSS object model.
Oh God.
CSSOM.
Okay.
I
Just
didn't
like
know
the
that
DOM,
was
right?
an
I didn't know
API.
that was an API.
I thought it was a
that's just model.
representation of a
Yeah.
tree. Yeah. Rude. Absolutely
Well,
rude.
is the DOM an API?
Not really.
The DOM
I
has
guess.
an API.
The DOM has. Yeah, you have an API to interact
No.
with the DOM. It's not directly.
Yeah.
A set of APIs. You're gonna argue that the DOM is not a set
Well,
of APIs.
Houdini is a
Honestly,
set of
Houdini
APIs.
is a set of APIs.
I liked your answer. I liked Houdini.
That was a good
Thanks.
answer.
I
It was just-
appreciate it.
I
I'm actually
appreciate
happy
that
to
answer.
lose points on the fact that my answer was better.
All right. That's a win-win or a lose-lose.
That was a good
Okay.
answer.
Divya's turn.
All right. Let's see. What do we have? Oh, should I do obscure web APIs or let's just do hell, let's just do obscure web APIs for 1,000.
Okay.
Go big.
Avoiding no drama at all costs. This makes it possible for a server to send new data to a web page at any time by pushing messages to the web page.
Yes. Why is it every time I know the name in like totally I'm really bad. I have really bad I know this. What is sockets? What?
I'm sorry, that's
Okay.
incorrect. Sue, would you like to steal? This makes it possible for a server to send new data to a web page at any time by pushing messages to the web page.
Yeah, I don't think it's what Divya is talking about because that's not obscure. I don't think that WebSockets are obscure.
That's true.
I know exactly what this API is, and I think I know the name, but I'm actually going to pass on it.
Oh, wow. Extreme
I just want to see if I'm
self-control.
right.
Okay. Emma, would you like to steal?
I definitely don't want to steal.
Okay.
It's such a simple name.
So the correct
That's why I don't
answer of
trust
the
it.
API is called server sent events.
Yes, because here's the thing: server sent events is like one version of it, though.
Mm-hmm.
It actually has there's another thing that you
There's
can
other
use.
ways of accomplishing the same goal.
Exactly. So I didn't trust myself to pick the right one. Server sent events is the Safari one, right? Is that right?
It's more than. I think it's more
It's
than
more
just
than
trying to
just
be
Safari?
correct.
I thought that
I
was
never
in
actually used
Safari.
it. It's so obscure, and there's other ways of doing it. So.
Well, it's problematic because there's multiple. Yeah. Anyway.
All right, let's move on. Emily, that was Divya's turn. Suze's turn.
Oh my God.
No drama or talk protocol to me. I feel like this is an obvious choice for you, isn't it? The protocols.
Well, I've been performing the best in these two categories.
You are. You're poised to win here.
I don't think that's true. I'm not enough in the lead. I've only got 900 on everybody. So I'm going to do talk protocol to me for 800.
All right. Ping. This IP protocol was developed by DARPA in 1981 and is still used today.
IP protocol, but like, and it's ping, which is the trick. I feel like this is absolutely a trick question. 100%.
You're always attacking my questions.
Well, Jared, we're all in the negatives pretty deeply, so.
IP protocol was developed by DARPA in
I actually thought I made this board
1981.
easier than the last round, Emma. We need a new question writer.
I know what the ping is bloody hinting at too. Like I know this, but I can't use the simplified. I don't know what the simplified term for it is. As in, I'm overthinking it.
Okay. Do you have a guess?
I mean, No, I'm going to say the wrong answer just because it's the only answer I have, which
Okay.
is ARPANET. But that's not actually, that was their invention. So
Right. This is we're
it's
looking
not
for the
actually
protocol.
the protocol.
Emma, do you got a steal on this one?
No.
Divya, would you like to steal?
I'll steal. I'll
Okay.
steal since what is UDP? Oh
Sorry.
man,
The
I thought
correct
you
answer
were
is
UDP's
ICMP, the
Oh,
Internet
yes,
Control
okay.
Message
Yeah.
Protocol.
I guess UDP is still used and is pretty popular.
If you're ever pinging another computer or running traceroute, you will be using ICMP.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, I always forget this one. I thought
All
it was
right.
actually like literally IP.
So Emma's turn. We have no drama for 800 or 1,000, and we have talk protocol to me for 1,000.
Well, they both seem terrible, so let's go with the least amount of points, please. No drama.
After IBM acquired the owner of this popular
Oh.
node package, its lead maintainer
yes.
was forced off the project.
What's the
It's
question?
sad because I worked at IBM, and my parents worked at IBM, and my grandparents worked at IBM.
I don't think it was their fault.
No, but I feel like I should know this. I have no idea.
Okay. We'll go to Divya for the steal.
I feel like my guess is wrong because the name has already been surfaced. And actually, it's a popular node package. So I don't know. I'm just going to pass.
Okay. Suz for the steal.
Oh, I'm absolutely going to hard pass.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know this one.
Okay. So the name of the package, which has actually changed hands multiple times, started by TJ Holowachuk and then transferred over to Strong Loop, which was then acquired by IBM. And the maintainer of the project worked for Sencha, which was an IBM competitor. The project is Express.js,
Never would have guessed.
which is a very important project in the Node community, which is why it's there.
Uh-huh.
That's probably the only one I should have known about.
All right, we have no drama for 1,000 and talk protocol to me to 1,000. And Divya, it's your turn.
All right, let's do no drama. Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. Drama is a package
God.
that implements this conceptual model for JavaScript and Node.js.
I have never heard of this package. Drama is a package that implements this conceptual model.
I will, since it's so hard, I will add that drama is a bit of a play on words or a conceptual play.
I'm gonna have to pass because I have no idea what that is.
Okay. So negative 1,000 for Divya. And Suz can steal.
I know of the package,
Mm.
but I don't remember exactly what it does, but I know what it's related to. So I'm just going to pass because it's not even solid enough for me.
Okay, Emma, would you like to steal?
I'm passing because if they both get theirs wrong, I somehow win.
I bet it has something.
I'm guarding my lead right now, but
There's double jeopardy.
There you
I'm
go.
probably
So
going to stand to
drama
lose to Emma.
is the name of a package that implements the actor model.
Oh, yes.
You're so funny, Jared.
No, I'm not funny. I didn't name the package. The
I didn't
package
know we
name
had
is
the actor
drama.
model. I didn't know we had the actor model in JavaScript now. That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's so good. I want to play with this now.
There you go. So you learn something new every day. So that was Divya's turn. So Suz, you're the last one for the board of Double Trouble.
Yeah.
Talk protocol to me for 1,000. I'd tell you a joke about this protocol, but you may not get it, and that's totally okay.
What is UDP?
Nice.
Oh, Divya was off by 1.
I was off by
Yeah.
1.
I
Yeah.
really felt for you then, Divya. I was like, no, Divya.
All good.
Okay, at the end of Double Trouble, we have Emma with negative 2,100.
Yay.
Divya with negative 3,100. Try not to laugh, Jared. Suz in first place with negative 200. We'll be right back
First
for
place
Final
in a
Trouble.
negative.
It's going to get dangerous. And we are back for Final Trouble, wherein each contestant bids how much they think they can score
All right.
before the answer. Ladies, is this prolific JS Party panelist has appeared on 67 of our 129 episodes. I have Suz and Divya's. Emma, did you send me yours?
I'm sending it in private Zoom
Okay.
chat. Hold on a second.
Okay, the bids and the answers are in. Let's start with Suz. Suz, you wagered 200 points. And your answer of the prolific JS Party panelists is the one and only K-Ball, and that is correct. So Suz has 0. A valiant effort. Very good. Very good round for your first time. Let's go to Divya. Divya wagered 500. She also answered K-Ball, so she got that correct. We'll give her 500 points.
Hooray.
And you end up with negative 2,600.
Yes.
That leaves us with Emma, who also answered correctly K-Ball. And she wagered 300,000 or 3 million.
It was 3 million.
It was 3 million. So with that amazing bid, Emma wins this round of JS Danger.
She just
Very
gonna have to
nice.
click.
that is smart.
And I'm
You
going
have to click
Redemption
that
is
button
here.
a lot.
Hold on, let's see if we can
I think you just have to
hop
can you
on
just like
onto here.
cap it after something?
Let's see here.
It needs to be a min-max here.
Oh my
Who
gosh.
coded this webpage? How do I there it is, right there. So you get 3 million.
I never would have gone that high, so I never.
I
would've
know,
got it.
neither. I was trying to be modest, I guess.
So displaying her savvy for gaming and her desire, Emma Bostian totally redeems herself. You are the winner of JS Danger HalfStack Edition. Congratulations.
Oh gosh. Thank you. I've been waiting my whole life for this.
And that's our show. If you think this was a ridiculous game, you are correct. This game is ridiculous. Every single time we play it, we have lots of fun. We hope that you enjoyed it. And that's our show for this time. We'll catch you all next time. Say goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
See you next time.
Yeah.